Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute dinosaur. Draw a letter C for the head, then draw an eye and the nose. Draw the neck of the dinosaur. Draw the hump on the dinosaur's back and start making the tail. Draw the belly and two legs. Each leg looks like the letter V. Join the back leg to the tip of the tail. Decorate the dinosaur with some spikes. They are the shape of triangles with some lines in each. Dinosaurs are marvelous creatures. They used to live on Earth millions of years ago, during what is called the Mesozoic era or the age of the dinosaurs. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw some oval shapes on the back and the face of the dinosaur to give it some texture. Good job! Now you can draw a cute dinosaur. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.